Ripyl brings to life to learning in the classroom. It's a real-life application of knowledge that is theoretical, but then they have to problem solve, they have to present, they have to sell their vision and work through all the little nuances of what that means is to bring a business to life.
So what surprised us the most about doing Ripyl in our commerce class was probably that there's a lot more depth to opening a business than we originally thought.
When you think about commerce and business, you just think about numbers, calculating, math, but they brought in things like games and icebreakers.
They did like fun brain teasers and stuff like at the start of each lesson to we have a laugh with each other, work together.
We have a whole bunch of different kids coming into this program. It was awesome to see them working in a group and working alongside each other.
They had a very different teaching style, like how they taught you stuff was very different to what normal teachers would.
Just the fact that they let us talk to each other and work in groups.
I started feeling more engaging to the whole class rather than just yourself, so it felt like you got to connect with all the students.
If you're making a business or starting a business up, there's a lot to it and you're going to need people by your side the whole time.
They've also developed awesome team working skills. They've had to work in a group of people that they don't actually know.
This activity that we've done, the food truck, helped a lot with business because we had to figure out how to price things, strategies for pricing, marketing.
The price sheets helped us on how to take care of a business step by step.
It showed us not only how to make a business, but how to make sure it's successful.
I think Ripyl has, for many of them, and quite seriously changed a lot of their outlook on school and their outlook on business studies and economics and accounting as a subject. And I hope, again, that we can retain them in this subject and we might see a little bit more of that industry being covered as leavers after year 13.
Businesses aren't just, I have an idea, let's do it. It's, I have an idea, is it going to be profitable? What expenses are there going to be? What do I need to do to actually make it work?
It's not easy. It takes a lot of effort, takes a lot of teamwork.
There's a lot that goes behind the scenes that you as the customer just don't see.
The main thing that Ripyl would bring to the school would be a real life context for the students to learn. It puts them into new teams, it puts them into a challenging environment where they actually have to apply the knowledge.
When they're leaving school, there's a whole bunch of other ideas and all that sort of stuff that you need to know that they're learning within Ripyl that they probably wouldn't learn otherwise.
It was so nerve-wracking, but then once you get up there, all the nerves kind of drift away and it's actually really fun and I'd love to do it again.
Massive thanks to Ripyl. They I think brought us all together in a really great way, making us learn how to work together, work as a team.
And they've been coming to us for about 10 weeks and not just our class, there was about 4 or 5 other classes that they were teaching.
It was just a great experience and I hope other people in the future can also get to do this as well.
Thank you for making it amazing and more exciting, making it worth coming to commerce and enjoying it a little bit more, and how funny you were, and just thank you.